was able to give an insight when it comes to our business development in the wastewater industry for Manila. That's actually one of my goals na may apply ko yung kasi sobrang hilaw pa ng data science when it comes to the wastewater industry, and I want to be able to impart to them what I've learned with SQL Lab. So that's what I'm trying to do with my company right now. As a wastewater management officer, I do handle a lot of data. So that includes my experience from 2016 up to present. I handle wastewater operations, process troubleshooting, program management. I also do integrated management system where I function as an internal auditor. I'm also a pollution control officer and a safety officer for Maynilad. So ano nga ba yung relation nito when it comes to data science? Me as all the things that I've experienced, data is very valuable. Data is very valuable because it was a help us make the right decisions in ensuring that we are complying with the different environmental laws, and we have to ensure that we're able to give solutions to our customers. So paano nga ba ako napunta sa Square Labs? Actually, it was just a random conversation with a friend who is now a data engineer outside the company. So he sees me, I do database management when it comes to Maynila. I also do data storytelling and presentation. And he recommended to have a formal training when it comes to data analytics, which is what SQL Labs was trying to offer back then. So he recommended to have me enrolled sa SQL Labs as a data analyst. We do have 3 sprints. Sprint 1, which includes data validation, data cleaning, whereas we use Power BI, where the data that we use were the carbon emissions of Southeast Asian countries. And then we're able to present how can we help this country improve their carbon emissions. And then the sprint 3 and 4, which includes the fundamental of SQL, troubleshooting, and code cleanliness. This includes Google BigQuery data using COVID statistics around the world during the pandemic. So this one's the most challenging for me because I'm not a techie person. So this one I did try to have extended learning for myself for me to be able to help with my team din naman. And then the last sprint 3 and 4, which includes data pipeline, data analysis, and data storytelling, which is one of my favorite kasi this one is parang nag-engage kami when it comes to our company partners. So we use company partner data and we try to provide recommendations that can help the company itself. So as you can see here, I'm showing slides that what we did with my group mates in group 8. We did carbon emission comparison to Singapore and the country that was assigned to us. So here on the left, you could see my group mates, and then on the right is the company partner data that we've analyzed, and we created a presentation for the recommendation with another set of group for group 5. And then this is the graduation. So after the 8 weeks of surviving the data analytics bootcamp, for me it was a worth it experience, and they were able to obtain our certificates, and then they were given some awards. I was awarded with Lara and JC as Team Player awardees for DAB C7, and then I applied for that industry apprenticeship, which I was fortunately able to get in together with my teammates. And then I'm just going to share to you the life after bootcamp. So far, I'm also currently working in my industry apprenticeship with ePlaynet, our company partner for the cohort 7. And then right now in Maynilad, I work as a consultant for our Power BI projects in our department, and also I was also tapped to be part of our technical working group to be able to introduce to them the use of Power BI. And so far also we're collaborating with different teams in Maynila in applying what I learned in DAB C7. And as you can see, as a picture of a slide here, I was able to give an insight when it comes to our business development in the wastewater industry for Maynila. That's actually one of my goals na may apply ko yung kasi sobrang hilaw pa ng data science when it comes to the wastewater industry, and I want to be able to impart to them what I've learned with SQL Lab. So that's what I'm trying to do with my company right now. And if you're here now, and I'm sure you're interested, so this is just a couple of pictures of my group mates, and then the people that I work with cohort 7. Just sharing to you na have fun, and then just um, be able to make friends kasi sila din yung magiging network mo when you get out of when you finish the cohort. And then uh, don't be afraid to ask and make mistakes kasi uh, from there dun kayo matututo when it comes to data analytics and data science. And um, be willing to be a beginner actually, to ask questions kahit feeling nyo sobrang babaw lang ng mga questions na yun. It's okay to ask away. Most of these people that I've met in the cohort, including sila Chel, sila Ian, and even the instructors were very helpful. And they were friendly, and they supported us when it comes to questions and queries with regards to data analytics. I hope you join us in SQL Labs, because we're trying to build a community of data analysts here in the Philippines.